I love coming in here in the morning. Every day is a new day. I get excited on the way in because I don't know what the day is going to hold. I find new names of places that I've never heard of before. I get to talk to people from parts of Ireland I didn't know existed. Millennium Machinery was formed by Eamon Leahy in late 1999, just approaching the millennium. That's where the name came from. We cover a multitude, from the hobby man the whole way up to automation, all the automatic machines. Millennium Machinery import, distribute and upkeep engineering machinery or machine tools throughout Ireland. We try to take a more personal approach, you know. We remember all of our customers. They know when they ring the phone they're going to get me or maybe one other person, you know. And it wouldn't be too uncommon that the person who sold you the machine would be the person that would deliver the machine. Some people phone us up and they say, I want a gear for my saw. I'll remember what saw they bought maybe 2 years previous, you know. That's the kind of relationship we build with our customers. The sale is only the beginning. You know, the backup service for years and years to come is just as important, and that's what we pride ourselves on here. If you're buying a small machine for a hobby in your back shed or fitting out a whole new workshop for a multinational company, everybody gets the same treatment. It doesn't matter where they call from. If they're looking for something that we can provide, we'll get it to them. We're set up here, we're geared up here to get stuff out overnight, whether it be parts or machines. We'd like to see our machines in everybody's workshop throughout the country. They're already in a lot of workshops, but we want them in all the workshops.